You have taken the job from Tech and you have made an online agreement with the company. You have not completed your work in the given time period. So your file is forwarded here for the legal department to register a case against you, clear the pending dues and get an NOC letter from the company and get rid of this matter. If you cannot pay according to the agreement, you have to present in the court and pay the whatever the financial loss you have done. If payment is not done, your case is going to be transferred and you have to pay that much in lakhs of money. So this type of threatening message and notice they send it to you by telling you that agreement has been made. So in case you also get into their trap where the people are demanding a money from you, many people not aware, so they sign the agreement by giving their ID proof, photograph, signatures and address proof, and then they make the agreement and they will send you this type of message notice that you have not completed the work, you have done a breach of contract, against you action will be taken under section 73, 74, 75. In this matter, if you also get into trap, no need to worry, just WhatsApp us the name of the company and whatever the problem you are facing, our lawyer is going to advise you each and everything so that you don't have to worry about paying any amount to them or getting any legal notice hard copy to your address or going to any court or police station or facing any legal issue. Complete solution you are going to get, so just WhatsApp us and save your time and money. Like the video, share it, subscribe our